the PicsArt app usage tutorial.
PicsArt is a fantastic tool for editing and enhancing your photos with ease.
In this video, we will guide you through the basic steps to master in the application.
Before I explain how to use PicsArt, I will provide a brief history of the establishment of PicsArt. PicsArt was first released on Android at the time, created by Havenes Avoyan and Artavas Mechrubin. In 2012, the PicsArt app was downloaded 35 million times each year. In January 2013, the PicsArt app was released for iPhone users, and in May, PicsArt also became available for iPad.
In 2013, the PicsArt app had its own messaging system and almost 4 million registered users almost every day. In November 2013, PicsArt reached 90 million installations, and December 2013, PicsArt became available on Windows Phone. In January 2014, PicsArt was available for the first time on the Windows 8 OS. On March 8, the app had 100 million installations on Android, 30 million users, 60,000 photos edited and uploaded to PicsArt, and a community consisting of 7 million PicsArt editors.
In 2015, PicsArt reached 65 million users and had been installed 200 million times. In 2016, PicsArt reached 75 million monthly users and 300 million installations. Additionally, PicsArt continued to launch new features and extend the app operation and functionality.
Alright, now let's discuss how to apply it and what features are inside it. Step 1. Download and installation. The first step is to download and install the PicsArt app from your App Store. Once it's done, open the app and register your email or login through your Google account. Step 2. Importing photos. When you open PicsArt, you'll see an option to import photos. Select the photo you want to edit from your gallery and import it into the app. 3. Basic editing tools. Now, let's take a look at PicsArt basic editing tools. You can crop, rotate, and zoom in on your photo easily. Try these basic touches to adjust the composition of your image.
Step 4. Filters and effects. PicsArt offers a variety of creative filters and effects that you can apply to your photos. Explore these various options and see how your photo quickly transforms. Step 5. Color adjustment. You can also adjust the color, brightness, contrast, and saturation of your photo in PicsArt. Play around with this setting to achieve the result you desire. Step 6. Text and sticker. PicsArt allows you to add text and sticker to your photos. This is a great way to convey a message or add creative element to your image.
Step 7. Save and share. 1. Once you are satisfied with the result, press the Save button and you can choose the resolution and image format. After saving, you can easily share your photo on social media or send it to friends and family. Consolation. To wrap up the brief tutorial on how to use a PicsArt, feel free to experiment with the different tools and effects to create unique and impressive images. Happy editing!
Thank you for watching, and we hope this video is helpful to you.
If you have any question or other requests related to piece art or photo editing,
Please leave a comment below.
See you!